Hello student, how are you? I hope you have to good at home. Now class 6 subject math topic is multiplication and divisions of integers. Okay student. So first of all now I am going to teach you rule. So how you have to multiply and how you have to divide of an integer. So point to remember, this is very useful for solving the question, okay, not for only 6th class, you will be studied 10th also and higher class also. So keep it in mind this rule. So first rule is, suppose if you will multiply plus into plus sign, okay, so plus multiply by plus is equal to plus, okay student. Now second property is plus into minus. So plus into minus is equal to minus. So you can write in the bracket also, otherwise no need, simply you can write without bracket also. Third rule is minus into plus is equal to minus. So just here opposite, okay, so minus sign will become. Now last rule is minus into minus means is equal to plus. So here are same sign and here is also same sign. At the time of same sign, suppose sign is plus or maybe sign is minus, on that time after multiply or finding the product of the given number, sign should be same, means according to this rule sign will become positive. Now here is opposite sign, okay, so one is plus, one is minus, so sign will become minus in both cases. Now let's see by example and try to understand, okay student, in case of multiplications of integer. Now let's see example. So here is first question is, or example is 2 into 3 or 2 multiply by 3, or we can write also in the bracket plus 2 into plus 3. No need to write in the bracket in the case of plus. So simply you can write 2 into 3 also, or like this also. Now first of all here which rule will we apply student according to this question? You can say sir, first rule, because here is plus sign, here is plus sign, here is plus sign is hiding, okay. So I already shown here, so you have to see also, no need to show, but you keep it in mind, if sign is not given, on that time you have to consider here plus sign or plus sign. So according to first rule, first of all we have to multiply the number, what numbers are given, and then find the product also you can say, and then 2 3 are 6, then you have to write the sign, okay. So here what sign will become? Plus sign according to this rule. Now second example, according to basis of the second rule, here is plus 3 into minus 5, so here is plus and minus. So first of all we have to multiply the integer, what integer is given? 3 and 5. Don't see here sign, first of all find the product of the number, so 5 3 are 15. Then you have come to the point, what sign will be come here? So according to rule, here is plus sign, here is minus sign, so plus into minus is equal to minus, then we have to put the minus sign. Now third example, on the basis of the third rule, here is minus 5 into plus 4. So same method we have to multiply or find the product of the given number first of all. So 4 5 are 20. Then we have to come to the first sign. What sign will become student here? So minus into plus, here is plus sign student. So minus into plus is equal to minus sign according to rule number third. So rule number third is given here. Now last example is on the basis of the point 4 or rule number 4, minus 7 into minus 7, okay student. So same here also, same way we have to find the product of the 7 or 7. So 7 into 7, 7 7 are 49. Then we have to decide what sign will become, okay student. So here minus into minus plus, because on the basis of this one plus is coming, so here is no need to write the plus sign, so automatically we have to consider this is plus, okay. Now in the case of divisions on number, okay, so first of all what is division? Same way division is an inverse process of multiplication, so here also keep it in mind. just like subtraction. Okay, so division is an inverse process of multiplication. Now let us try to understand by example. Let's see. Okay student, first example is 15 divided by 3, or we can write also like this 15 upon 3. So this is up to you. You can write like this also and like this also. So first of all, here also we have to divide, and then we have to decide by the sign what sign will become. So here is plus also, here is plus also. So 3 5 is 15, 5 is answer. Now how will we say this is the inverse process? 15 divided by 3, here is coming 5. So what number you have to multiply in 3, you will be get the 15. So 5 3 is 15. So if you will multiply 5 by 3, we get the answer 15. So that's why this is the inverse process of multiplication. Now second example is 27 divided by minus 9. Okay student, same method. This is the second rule. Here is plus sign, here is minus sign. So first of all, divide the number. 27 divided by 9 means 3. What sign will become? Minus 3, because this is the basis on the second rule. Now third example is minus 84 divided by 7. So here is minus sign, here is plus sign. First of all, we have to divide in the common way. So 12 7 ja 84. So and what sign will become student? Minus, on the basis of third rule. And last rule is say minus 6 divided by minus 2. So here first of all you have to divide 6 divided by 2, 3. What sign will become? Minus divided by minus means plus. So no need to write. Now I am giving the homework on the basis of this rule, and you will be do the homework. So homework is given here, exercise 4.2. So those students who have a book, you can do, and those students who have no book, you can do question number 1 and question number 2. Okay student, I hope you have to understood my lecture. Thanks.